I'm going to be walking through how to access Google Classroom and how to complete your assignment for the week or for Monday. So the first thing that you're going to do is log into Google Classroom, and then you're going to click on the class that you're in. I'm going to use Core 1 as an example for this morning. So when you log in to Google Classroom, first name dot last name and then your lunch number. And then click on the class that you're in. I'm just using Core 1 as an example for today. The next thing that you're going to do is go up to the top where it says classwork and click there. Today is Monday, April 13th, so that's the assignment that we're going to look at. You're going to click here, and then you see the virtual learning plan. The directions state, please go through the Google Slides for the intro to unit. Then you need to complete the virtual learning plan activities. This includes watching videos and answering questions on the learning plan. Finally, don't forget to submit it when you're finished. So the first thing that you're going to do is click here. You're going to go through each slide. How do you go through the slides? On the left, you're just going to click on the slide that you want to read next. I'm just going down the list. Once you're finished reviewing all the slides, go back to Google Classroom and then click on the right hand side where it has the actual assignment under Google Docs. You should see this pop up on your screen. Before completing the virtual plan, you're going to watch the video attached here. So you click here, you'll see the link pop up. Click on the link, and then you're going to watch the video.
As we start the fourth marking period, there are a few...
Once you listen to the video, go back to Google Classroom, and then you're going to type your answer here. The question says, when you hear the word obstacle, what do you think of? Make a list in the box below of all the ideas that come to mind. Try to list at least 5 ideas or items in the list that you create. And you're going to type it right here in this box. And the next thing that you're going to do is go down to where it says explain. Let's talk about our new unit. You're going to click here. You're going to watch the video on YouTube.
The unit that we're going to be doing this marking period is...
Once you're finished watching that, go back to Google Classroom and scroll down to the next step. These are the directions on how to complete the rest of the work. So if you need to, click here, go to the YouTube, listen to the directions.
To begin looking at how...
Then go back to Google Classroom. And then you're going to watch the video clip from Homeward Bound. So click there, and then on the YouTube link, go back to Google Classroom. And then you're going to answer the questions in the boxes here. So the first question asks, what obstacle did Shadow, the blonde dog, experience? And then you're going to type your answer right here in this box. The next question says, what do you think about the way Shadow, the blonde dog, handled his obstacle? You're going to type your answer right here. The next one says, how did Chance, the black and white dog, help Shadow, the blonde dog? You're going to click here, type your answer. The next thing you're going to do is listen to the directions for the evaluate section. Click here. Then go to the YouTube link and listen to the directions if you need them. Go back to Google Classroom. And the next question says, do you think Shadow handled his obstacle well, and why? You're going to type your answer here in this box. The next step, what do you think Shadow will survive? Tell me why. You're going to click here and type your answer. Then the last and final thing you're going to do for today is watch the end of the movie. And you're going to find out if Shadow was able to overcome his obstacle. So you click here and then follow the YouTube link to watch the end of the video. Now, once you're finished with everything, on the top of your screen, you should see the share button or you should see a submit button. You should see one of the two. You can click here to share with Ms. Phillips and myself, or you can hit the turn in button. My screen looks a little different because I'm in teacher mode, not student mode. But you're going to go here and click either turn in or share. All right, that should be everything. Have a great Monday, and I'll talk to you soon.